Will pag birthday?
Yes.
Ganahan ka makakita ni Will? Yes! Yes! Ina, daddy. Ina, daddy. Please, Will Shark. Ina.
Daddy, this very tired.
Na egg birthday.
Daddy, this very tired.
Kita naman kang shark.
Very tired.
Ito pag birthday ni mo.
Very tired.
Kani di ay. Oo, kani man to. Balik na Japon ta.
Yes. Mama, di tired too.
Mato ka sa ubos. Nikits. We are checking if naana ang whale shark. Naana ka na. Where are we going? Oh no. Birthday, Kira. No, wow. Explain mo. Wala pa man ng wela, ags ata, okay? Okay? Okay. Ato ta Picas Island, basig na a whale dito, ha? Ngita ta dito, og big fish.
It's very tired.
Okay ra nimo? Are you okay? Wala ka gidool na. The time is 4 a.m. Look. There's the whale shark. Love mommy, babe. Whale shark ka? Mata na. We are going to sus na love man niya whale shark. Uy. Good morning. Asa ka ato?
Very tired.
Whale shark?
Waterproof.
Line. Ha, sunod ha. Line, sunod tas mami.
Attempt to line. Third and swimming, please observe 4 meters distance away from the whale sharks and 5 to 6 meters away if you we have sea wardens monitoring the location. Additional reminders from health to the
Priority numbers W.
Where are we going?
Very tired.
Yay! We are going to... You like it?
Oh.